What are the risks of workers' compensation noncompliance? Imagine running a business and suddenly facing a mountain of fines, lawsuits, and even potential jail time. This scenario can happen if a company does not comply with workers' compensation laws. Workers' compensation noncompliance means failing to obtain or maintain the required insurance coverage for employees. The risks associated with this can be quite serious, affecting a business in various ways. First, let's talk about financial penalties. Businesses that do not have workers' compensation insurance can face hefty fines. These fines vary by state and can start at several $1,000s. For instance, in some states, the penalty can be $5,000 for the first 10 days of noncompliance. This amount can increase significantly with each additional day without coverage. In some cases, penalties can reach tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars for repeat offenses. Next, there are legal risks. In certain states, failing to comply can lead to criminal charges. For small businesses, this may be classified as a misdemeanor, while larger companies could face felony charges. This means that responsible corporate officers could face hefty fines or even jail time. Another risk is the disruption of business operations. Authorities can issue stop work orders against non-compliant businesses. This means that a business may be forced to close until it complies with the law. Such closures can halt revenue generation and damage a company's reputation, especially in industries like construction where work stoppages can happen quickly. Without workers' compensation insurance, injured employees may lose their guaranteed benefits. This can lead them to sue the employer directly for medical expenses, lost wages, and other damages. Such lawsuits can become costly and threaten the financial stability of a business. Moreover, noncompliance can lead to increased insurance costs. Once a business is found to be noncompliant, insurers may raise premiums, viewing the business as a higher risk. Additionally, the business's credibility can suffer, making it harder to attract and retain both employees and customers. This is particularly important for Asian American enterprises that relying on trust within their communities. Lastly, employers who do not maintain workers' compensation insurance lose the legal protections that come with it. This means they become fully liable for workplace injuries, which increases their financial and legal exposure. For Asian American business owners, understanding and complying with workers' compensation laws is essential. It protects their workforce and supports business growth. Noncompliance can be especially damaging in tight-knit community markets where reputation and trust are vital. Ensuring proper coverage helps avoid costly penalties and legal issues while supporting employee well-being. In summary, the risks of workers' compensation noncompliance include heavy fines, criminal charges, forced business closures, potential lawsuits, increased insurance costs, and damage to reputation. Asian American enterprises should prioritize compliance to safeguard their employees and business interests.